So basically, from our first assessment, I was told that, you know what, you might not qualify for an eye LASIK surgery. One thing that they did say that I might qualify for is an ICL. Basically, this is a permanent lens that's planted in your eye. And it lasts for years in the eye, but I think what scared me was the fact that there's this lens that's going to be permanently, implanted in my eye. So we'll see what Dr. Khutso says that I am officially going through and what surgery I'll be having.
So you are classified as normal, but you do have thinnish corneas.
How long does the ICL last for? Is there a time when I need to come back after 5 years? Do we need to change it? Is it surgery every year?
So that lens stays in the eye forever. Okay.
Oh.
Until you develop a cataract.
Okay. Which is the steaming.
The lens.
The
lens.
lens. Okay.
So if I say forever, it's not really forever. It's because there's a limit to it, and that's normally when you develop a cataract. At that stage, when you develop a cataract, we remove the ICL, we do a lens replacement, and we give you a lens that's going to give you your vision back far and near. Okay.
I think at this stage, it's to go glasses and contactless for life.
Yeah.
So if you are saying it's safe, I trust in your abilities. I'm really interested in ICL.
I think you're going to do very well.
So we have seen the one and only Dr. Khutso. I've been longing to meet this man. I've heard great things about him. Not only that, but of course Sandton Eye Clinic as a whole. So we've gone through everything. We are definitely going with the ICL procedure. So we're just doing a final test, and after the final test, going to see another specialist just to make sure that we have everything in order. But I think the next time we meet will be when I have my ICL surgery with Dr. Khutso. Sandton Eye Clinic, you are amazing. I'm excited.